I've got my camo on. It's obviously deer season. But this is day 12, fishing with Joyride Candy, until Ryan Trahan comments. No, we had one. We had a bass and he jumped and came off. I'm gonna get mic'd up and we're gonna keep trying. Chasing it. If I can just get one that's hungry enough to take it. Oh no, again! Oh, you got to be kidding. I hooked up twice on this joyride. Oh man, these warped wrigglers are the way to go. All I've got left is this little piece. I'm gonna have to change hooks. This barb's not big enough. Get rid of this jig, put a bigger hook on it. Next time I come out here, this is gonna be good. Stay tuned. Don't forget, go ahead and follow, subscribe, whatever it is. Make sure you keep up with this. This is fun.